Okay everyone, so now we are learning a program of storage class, that is static. So static storage class is also with the help of static variable. So now we have learned that static variable hold their value. So that is the important thing. They hold their value throughout the program. And one more thing, that they remain active throughout the program. So now we are learning this program to understand the static variable or static storage class. So hash include stdio.h, that is for printf and scanf functions. Then hash include conio.h, it is for create screen and getch functions. Then void func. So this one is the prototype. It is the prototype of function. We give the prototype of function when we declare the function below the main. So here we had declared a function. Now what we are doing, we are coming to void main function. Then afterward coming inside int I. So one variable I is declared. Clear screen for clearing the screen. 4 is the looping statement which is saying I equal to 0. So we are starting the I with the 0 value. Then afterward we are checking I less than equal to 3. So 0 less than equal to 3, that is true. It will come down and call the func. So by this we are calling the function. Compiler will first go above and check the prototype of function, come down. So we are directly going down to the function. Now we are saying static int x0. So there is one variable x declared in the memory, and that x is declared inside the boundary of function. So this one is the function boundary. Inside that variable x is declared, and the above variable I, that was declared in the boundary of main. So this one is the main function boundary, and this one is the function boundary, which is named as func. Now, so we have declared the value of x as 0, and this x is the static variable. Static variable means that will hold its value. Now we are saying x is equal to x plus 1. So the new value of x is 1. And then we are saying printf slash n for the new line, x is equal to %d. It will take the value from x. So the value 1 is printed on the screen. X is equal to 1. Afterward, the function part is complete. It will go back from where it was called, and the for loop ended inside the for loop. Now for loop is a looping statement, will come back I++. So the value of I incremented with 1. Again going back, checking the condition, I less than equal to 3. So 1 less than equal to 3, true. Come inside, again func. So again a function call. So again this time a function is called. Now again it is saying static int x equal to 0. Static variables are declared only once. So they are declared only once. That means the first time they are declared. Now this line is having no meaning, because they are not going to declare again with the 0. They will hold their previous value. So what is the previous value? The value 1. So that value will remain hold. So earlier value they will take, but in the earlier programs we have seen that once we are calling the function again and again, they lost their values. But in the static variable they will hold their value. But then we are saying x is equal to x plus 1. So the increment, the new value 2. Printf x with the d. Now %d for the integer value. So 2 is displayed on the screen. X is equal to 2. Program will go back. After executing it, it will go back same place, and again going back to I++. So the value of I is now 2. Checking the condition, I less than equal to 3. 2 less than equal to 3, true. Again coming down, calling the function. So now they are going to call the function. We know that static int x is equal to 0, no meaning, because it is already declared holding the previous value. So the value 2 will hold, latest value is on hold. X is equal to x plus 1, so the new value is 2 plus 1 is 3. Printf x is equal to %d, so the x is equal to 3 is printed. Program will again go back, and again it will go to I++. So the value of I is 3. Checking the condition, I less than equal to 3. 3 less than equal to 3 true because 3 is equal to 3. Again coming down, calling the function. So function called. Again this line is having no meaning. X is equal to x plus 1. So the value of x is now 4. And afterward we are printing this value. So x is printed. That is x is equal to 4. Then we are going back and again I plus plus. The value of I is 4 now. Then checking the condition, I less than equal to 3, 4 less than equal to 3, false because 4 is greater than 3. Now from there it will come out and go to the getch, so it will hold. So getch will hold the screen. So that is all about the program of static variable where we have learned that it is going to hold the value. So this is the program of static storage class or static variable.